Hello guys, today we are going to be doing another project, and as you can see we got this box from PCB which have also sponsored this video. If you've ever needed a custom circuit board for your electronics projects, PCB makes the whole process really easy. They offer PCB manufacturing, PCB assembly, 3D printing and even CNC machining. They have an instant quote system in which you can put the dimensions, the quantity, the layers, the thickness of the board you want, and you instantly get the estimated price for the PCB board and the shipping cost and the total sum. If you are a new user, check out my referral link in the description below, which will grant you a $5 discount on the first order after registration. Check out in the description below. Now let's return to the video. In the box we have PCB boards for the controller right here, and we are going to change it so it is on a PCB and not with all these wires. We are also going to changing it with an Arduino Nano instead of an Arduino Uno, so it is going to take up less space. So let's open this box up. So opening up the box, and we are expecting to have the PCBs for the controller, and we are going to have also the 3D print. So we have handles right here for the controller, so we can actually use it like this, like a normal controller. So let's see. And here are the PCBs firstly. So let's see actually what we got. And I just opened it up. Here we have the boards. So the Arduino Nano is going to go right here. So this is the front and this is the back. The HC is going to go here. And we have everything lined up. So let's actually see the 3D prints. And here they are. So we are going to be placing the boards right here, and we can actually have a full-on controller and play right here. Here we go, we have the display. And let's actually start building this thing. And I just fired up the solder and we are going to start right up. So let me quickly just tin it. We are going to put the pins right here, and we are going to solder from the other side. So just there, and let's, so here we have the pins and we are just going to start soldering. So I think that is actually perfect. We soldered those. So right now we have this. So here goes the Arduino. Let's just do this. So while we are here, and we just place them here and solder from the other side. Sync this here, and we're going to solder from the other side as we did with the Arduino pins. So those are good. So here we have the other pins, so we just plug this in right here and it will work like a radio antenna. You can see it from the back. So let's take it out and finish up soldering. So we have those done. Now we need to unsolder the pins on these ones, on all of this, so we can put other pins. After half an hour I've actually succeeded in taking out the pins, but as you can see they are a little damaged, but I think it is going to work. Now the other joystick remains, which means another half an hour, so see you when I do it. So I actually did succeed in taking out the pins, so we are going to place these new pins, which are going to go down just like this. We are going to put them on the both, and just like that we have it, but we just need to solder them. So this is also done as well. So we have the buttons are ready. So now we just need to prepare the buttons. We did the joysticks, now the buttons. So we are going to do the same thing, take these pins out and put the ones that go like this. So let's do that. So I did actually succeed in taking out one of the buttons pins. So we just need to solder it now, the pins to the button itself, and quickly speeding up through it. Now I'm just soldering it, and here you can see the finished result, and that is as good as I can get it to be. So let's just solder the pin and the two joysticks to the board and really quickly test it out if it is actually working. And here we have the board, we just need to flip it over and actually solder it. So I'm soldering it right now pin by pin, as you can see, and speeding it up. So as you can see, everything is done as good as I could get it to be. So we soldered the two joysticks and the one pin. So now what remains is to actually test it out if it actually works. So I'm going to take an Arduino Nano and quickly program it and then put it back in to the controller. And after changing the code, we just upload it. So we are going to also need to put the HC12 and the Arduino Nano. So the good news, the controller does work. So let me just plug it in. And as you can see, we have values. So when I move the joystick, the value actually changes. So these are for both joysticks. So we just need to solder also the pins, the buttons, then the LCD display, and it will actually be done. Then we just glue the holders and that is done. So this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Check out part 2 when it comes out for the finished product, for placing everything, for testing. So thank you guys for watching and see you in another video. Bye.